What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol NVDA for NVIDIA Corp. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, I want to zoom in on the daily. Obviously, we've covered this stock extensively on the channel, and what you'll notice is that we are supporting once again on today's session the lows of the morning drive lower right at the neckline of the double bottom. Again, fairly easy to see here on the 30-minute time frame. If I just zoom in a little bit, again, here you go. On the open, we do come in and test that, but you can see that we've bounced off of it once again, confirming that 239.85, roughly call it 240, right, is going to be a serious area of support. And as we know, it was sort of the line in the sand. So it's doing exactly what it needed to do here. The next sort of play that I'm seeing is a breakout up and over this area. And we started to break it into the afternoon session here, but obviously the market closed. We didn't really have enough time left in the day to explore whether or not those prices would be accepted. So to me, next pivot, 250.75. If it breaks, looking for the move into 257.68, it would be a break of 3-day highs here on our daily time frame, and we would be retesting that all-important level from here. We know that it was the first lower low and also where we have produced a lower high on the daily time frame. That area must break for this small double bottom to really materialize to the upside, right? We need to see that next higher high to start to continue, or build rather, strengthen this new daily uptrend that has begun here. So that's what I'm thinking about. If we reject at the resistance trend line, then yes, from the macro view, we are still in sort of a descending channel. Don't get it twisted. I'm not here to be overly bullish, all-time highs, none of that, one step at a time. So to me, those are the first upside key points that we must recapture. If it's going to be a breakdown, it's got to be underneath the low of the sort of pullback into the afternoon. So to me, the next higher low area I would love to see hold. Basically, bullish consolidation can happen here above 246.37. Let's quickly take out the Fibonacci's just to check in and see how that compares to our 38.2. It's not ideal, right? The 38.2 would be above that technically, but because it's structurally based and we always opt for structure, not blindly following the fibs, we'll go with the pullback low. It's also the 50% just about. So to me, I'll use that every day, right? All day instead of cherry picking that 38.2 slightly higher. So to me, 246.37, new line in the sand to the downside. If it breaks, that's where you say, okay, maybe this is going to be a lower high from here. Look at this area of the neckline once again as being all important. That's the true sort of make or break level. If it flushes, we know the target should be the lows of the double bottom, closer to 220. I don't want to get overly bearish because everything right now is looking like it's pointing to the bull side, but that is how the downside would unfold in my estimation. So that's all I've got for you inside of NVIDIA. Those are the levels to be watching and scenarios. For now, I would watch for this and potentially a break into tomorrow's session, noting that we were testing it into the close here. If you enjoyed today's video or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.